Hello everyone. On this video I thought I would show the Boeing 777-200 series. This is in the Delta paint job. The snap together kit was from Skymarks. It has the landing gear and the spinning fan blades and nice heavy plastic, nice base, and just all around a really nice kit. A lot of nice detail. They're a grade up from the ones that are basically like in-flight's starting series. But very nice paint job, very nice printing, lots of detail as far as the surfaces on the fuselage. The markings, pad printing is really nice. Let me spin this around a little bit. You can see the landing gear on her, a set of 3 main wheels, 2 sets of those, what they call the Bigfoot. They call it the Bigfoot. But nice model. I was always impressed with the 767 and the 777 when they first came out. Really liked them a lot. Really about fell over the first time I saw a 777. And the size of the engines and everything else, it was very impressive to think that those engines were that powerful. I think now with the latest versions of some of them, they're over 110,000 pounds of thrust each, and that's pretty impressive when you consider back in 1958, 60, people were highly impressed that the F-4 Phantom had 2 17,000 pound thrust turbojet engines on them in afterburner. So you can really see that the engine technology has come a long way. And it would be nice if they did these models maybe with I don't know, maybe a few pieces to put together to give them a little more detail, but can't complain just straight out of the box. These things are great. I'll keep spinning it around a little bit for you so y'all get a look. If I can get it to stop spinning there, or shaking. Well, it's not really good. But thing I like about them is on this one, I also found it on Amazon, another one of those markdown prices. I think this one even had like a 5% coupon you could use. So it's another one of those things where it's got a little statement under it, said lowest price in 30 days on Amazon. And for the prices of some of the other ones out there, it was good. I think it was in $39.95, I think it was, which you see them a lot more than that, $49, maybe $50. But really happy with it. Pad printing is excellent on it. I can't get over sometimes how much pad printing has improved over the years. Some of the first place you saw it was in model railroad stock cars and stuff, and then later on it became more and more prevalent throughout the hobby industry. It's really made a difference. Even some of the 1/72nd scale and 1/48 scale aircraft that were pre-painted kits that were put out a few years back, the pad printing on those was excellent also. But anyway, thought I'd drag this out and show it to you all. Hope you've enjoyed. If you like what you've seen, please hit the like button, maybe subscribe. Let YouTube know that people are enjoying these. It would help me out a lot too. So thank you very much. Y'all have a good evening. Be safe. Talk to you later. Bye.